Hello friends, in this video let's talk about a newly launched class 2 sectional matrix system that comprises of 3 sectional matrices, matrix bands of different sizes and wedges, and also a holder which is particularly meant for these sectional matrix rings. There are 3 rings which are made of nickel titanium. This is the universal ring, and as I told you, this forceps is specifically made to handle this forceps, these rings without slipping. And there are 2 other rings, one for tall class 2 cavities, and I'm particularly going to talk about this sectional matrix which is made for white contacts, and they also have a non-sticky matrix bands of different sizes available and wedges that are available in 6 different sizes. So just like how we use any other sectional matrix system, you first select the matrix band that matches the height of your class 2 cavity and then choose the wedge that fits tightly. So we are doing trial and error here. So the first wedge was pretty loose, so we're going for the last but one size wedge which is fitting perfectly here. And now, since this class 2 cavity is comparatively tall, we are using the tall ring here, and that's it. You can see that we get nice contoured matrix which is ready to receive a class 2 restoration. I particularly wanted to highlight about this matrix ring which is meant for wide cavities, and the best part about this is you can see this additional extension, the concave extension that embraces the tooth on both sides, which gives you a very nice adaptation of the band and does not allow to have more excess or flash of composites which happens with the other bands. And additionally, there is this deep wedge which can be used for deep margin elevation in very deep cavities to build the cervical hip with composite first, which can then hold the matrix band nicely at a later stage. We know that there is Garrisons and Paladin, but frequently something that has been asked to me is about to make a video on a more affordable matrix system, and that's how I ended up making this video. And these are the product details and the contact details. You can make use of it. Thank you so much.